Top 5 Tool Chest in Ireland. Number 5. Introducing the ultimate solution for your workspace organization. 3PC heavy-duty toolbox chest cabinet set with 12 drawers and key locks. This set provides secure, spacious storage for all your tools. Crafted for durability and style, this rugged tool chest set comes in a striking blue color, adding a touch of professionalism to any workspace. Designed for optimal organization and convenience, each component offers a unique set of features to meet all your storage needs. With drawer liners to protect your tools and ball-bearing slide drawers for effortless access, you'll find everything you need is right at your fingertips. Number 4. The 42-inch 15 drawers with ultra-smooth ball-bearing heavy-duty tool chest cabinet box. This high-quality tool chest provides a sturdy and reliable storage option that will stand up even the toughest work environments. This high-quality gloss-painted steel frame tool chest is perfect for holding heavy equipment such as sockets, wrenches, hammers. Ultra-smooth ball-bearing slide drawers make it easy to access your tools. Number 3. King Tony 8-drawer tool chest with wheels and central lock. The ultimate storage solution for every professional workspace. 10-drawer top box features a durable powder coating and ball-bearing slides for ultra-smooth operation. Measuring 660 x 455 x 483 mm overall, this top box offers more than enough storage space with drawers designed for every need. The 8-drawer bottom box with wheels adds mobility and strength to your tool storage. The bottom box measures 670 x 460 x 812 mm, providing extensive storage space for all your tools. Number 2. Presenting King Tony 17-drawer tool chest. Roller cabinet with ball-bearing slides and on wheels. Top box of this tool chest is made up of 6 King Tony drawer with a front flap. Made from heavy-duty steel, drawer ball-bearing sliding type. Fold-down locking system and a power coating finish. This tool chest is ideal for any workspace. The middle box consists of 3 King Tony drawers. Overall cabinet size 660 x 307 x 25. It is made from heavy gauge steel, has sliding drawer type ball bearing. Cabinet has a central locking system. Bottom box is a 26-inch King Tony roll wagon tool chest cabinet with 8 drawers and bottom box with wheels. This tool chest cabinet has a central locking system. Its overall size 670 x 460 x 812. Number 1. 42. King Tony heavy-duty 15-drawer tool chest roller cabinet on wheels is made up of 8 drawers. Chest. Heavy gauge steel. Ball-bearing sliding type, powder coating finish giving it an amazing overall size of 1070 x 460 x 980. The bottom box, King Tony 7-drawer roller cabinet with wheels, has an extremely useful tool tray with a special side handle for easier transportation. Grooved full-width drawer pulls at strength and offer to list contents of drawers, giving the tool chest an overall size of 1070 x 460 x 980. Please contact our sales office. Visit our website for more information: www.howdentools.com.